Hey guys, welcome back to the episode of See You Slurps MSG Mondays. Today we're going to be trying Samyang Buldak Jjampong noodles. So it's been a little while since I've had some Samyang noodles. They haven't released anything, at least not here in the North American market. So obviously when I did a quick Google search, I found that they did come out with a couple new additions. And this one here, the Jjampong flavor, is the one that I was able to get my hands on straight from Korea. So if you're not familiar with Jjampong is other spicy seafood or pork-based noodle soup. It is a Chinese-Korean kind of mashup. And there's usually a bunch of seafood, lots of cabbage. Enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, we got our noodles here. This is our noodle block. And I'm also gonna lay down our spicy buldak signature sauce, our flakes, and one more special pack, our hot seasoning oil. Bring 450 milliliters of water to a boil. Add in your noodles, your dried flakes here, and the sauce. We're gonna go ahead and let that boil and cook for about 4 minutes. Make sure to just go ahead, break up the noodles, turn off the heat, and then add that seasoning oil last. Transfer to a bowl, and let's dig in. Take a look at this. How good does this look? Yum! All right, so this is the finished product. Let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, I love these. I've been looking and waiting for an actual really good soup-based noodle from the Samyang Buldak brand. What sets them apart, of course, you got your regular buldak sauce, but a prime ingredient in this one is the habanero chili pepper. And there's also another Korean chili pepper that I can't pronounce the name, but starts with CH, and that is also found in this particular pack of noodles. You are also going to get your signature Samyang noodles that are super chewy, nice and thick, great to hold up for this wonderfully spicy and delicious soup base. Very nice. For your flakes, you got some textured protein, and I've got to say, technology is really upping the game in terms of like soy protein and meat substitutes, because this actually really looked a lot like either a beef or even some cut up pork belly, which you would really find in meat-based jjampongs. Texture was good. It really soaks in the flavor of the soup. For other vegetables that are in there, there's a little bit of carrot, a little bit of pepper. You also have a bit of bok choy. I was actually shocked to not see any dehydrated cabbage pieces, because that is a huge component of all the jjampongs that I eat in like real form. So that was kind of like a little bit weird to not have that in there. In terms of the sauce and the spice level, if you actually look in the packaging, Samyang actually categorizes their noodles in different heat levels, and this jjampong flavor is considered as level 3 out of a 5 thing scale. So this one does take a touch longer in terms of cooking time. So instead of the regular 4-minute style noodle, this is a 5-minute style noodle. And also what really sets it apart from other noodles, and also really just gives it that jjampong taste, is with that finishing oil. So do not forget to add that in as well. With that being said, I'm gonna have to give this a 4.5 out of 5. I really enjoyed these. Again, really happy that Samyang's delivering with these news, especially a soup noodle one. They're so strong in their stir-fried noodle game, but this one is like hitting it out of the park. And I really enjoyed these. What about the end? Hells yes. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see everyone next week. Bye!